There is an interesting happening in the history. Winston Churchill always wondered, how Hitler is able to control all his military forces. He once met Hitler in the fourth floor in a building, and he asked, "How your people obey you?" Now Hitler called one of his sentry, and he told, "Just jump out of the window." Remember, they are sitting on the fourth floor. He just jumped out of the window. He died. The second security was called. He was told to jump out of the door. He jumped out of the door. He died. The third one was called, jumped out of the window. He was almost in a critical stage. He was alive, but so now what happened is Winston Churchill went down to the ground floor and he asked him, like, why the hell you guys are jumping out of the window? You know that you are going to die. You are two of the people have already died, and you are the third person, and you too jumped out of the window. Now they said, instead of working for this idiot, it's better, I die. So that's the reason I jumped. If I'm not going to jump, he's going to kill us. This is obeying because of fear, not because of interest. Respecting because of fear, not because of interest. Now, many of the pharmacy friends, pharmacists, especially the doctor of pharmacy and the people who are in the profession, always have a feeling that, we are not respected as pharmacists in the field, and many a times our suggestions are not listened to by the doctor. Just please understand, it comes from the childhood. You will have to have the feeling of pride with your profession. And how is it expressed? It's expressed in the way you groom yourselves. It's expressed in the way you present yourselves, the way you prepare yourselves, the way you respect others. You are in the patient care segment, especially the doctor pharmacy students, and the moment you enter into the college, you should also have a feeling that I'm a clinical pharmacist and I need to present myself the way people can respect me. So please understand, especially for the students who are now doing their PharmD, their M.Pharm or the B.Pharm, whomsoever you are, please behave, please believe that you are professionals and present yourselves as professionals. Acquire the right attitude, skills and knowledge. And please remember, respect can never be demanded, it can only be commanded. So please present yourselves, and that presentation is possible only when you behave and believe that you are a professional from day one of joining the college. Now, recently we had a first aid training program where the boys could not volunteer to do a cardiopulmonary resuscitation process. You know why? They were wearing the tight pants so that they could not bend down and their inners are going to pop out, and so they feel very shy about it. Now you are a pharmacist and your basic job is to rescue people and to help people in medical necessities, and you can't bend down to do a CPR. Is it not a shame? Just don't expect people to respect you without acquiring the right attitude, skills and knowledge, and you are presenting yourselves as professionals. An advocate has a black coat, a doctor has a white coat, and a driver has a uniform. The same way, the pharmacist, though he may not have a particular uniform like the nurses, please understand, we need to demand respect by presenting ourselves with proper grooming, and from day one in the college, please behave and believe that you are professionals and present appropriately. Thank you.